Today I will discuss about jaundice part 2. Yesterday I have discussed about the basic concepts of jaundice, which included the normal bilirubin metabolism. Okay, today we will discuss about different types of color in of urine and stool in different types of jaundice. Now let us see. At first, in case of hemolytic jaundice, there is unconjugated bilirubin is more than conjugated bilirubin. In case of hepatic jaundice, unconjugated and conjugated are more or less same. And in case of obstructive type, conjugated is more than unconjugated. Now see, in case of bilirubin in urine, we will find bilirubin in urine or not. In case of hemolytic type, we can't find. Why? As I have said earlier that in case of hemolytic jaundice there is unconjugated bilirubin is more and unconjugated bilirubin is insoluble to water. So that urine is also composed of water mainly, so it is not soluble, so we can find. In case of hepatic type, it is conjugated bilirubin also found with unconjugated, so we will found some. In case of obstructive type, there is conjugated is more than unconjugated. So we will find as conjugated bilirubin is soluble to urine. Okay. Now color of urine and stool. In case of hemolytic jaundice, urine is normal in color. What is normal color? It is yellowish. Why yellow? Due to urobilin. It is due to urobilin. Okay. So urobilin present in case of hemolytic jaundice urine. Unconjugated bilirubin is not soluble to urine, so it is not found. So only dominant part is urobilin, which is formed from urobilinogen. In case of hepatic jaundice, there is dark colored urine mainly. There can find yellowish urine also. But why dark colored predominantly? As conjugated bilirubin is found in urine and conjugated bilirubin is dark in color, which is mustard oil like color. So it's a tell mustard oil like color. So we will find mustard oil like dark colored, and also we can find urobilin also. So it can be yellowish. So there is more or less urobilin equal to conjugated bilirubin in case of hepatic jaundice. So we will find dark or yellow colored urine. In case of obstructive type, there is dark colored urine, and there is no urobilinogen or urobilin. There is only conjugated bilirubin found. So in case of obstructive jaundice. Now in stool color, what is the stool color? In case of hemolytic jaundice and hepatic jaundice, normal yellowish color of stool due to stercobilin, which is formed from the stercobilinogen. But in case of obstructive jaundice, we can't find stercobilinogen as there is obstruction. So bilirubin can't come into gut. So stercobilin not formed. So it is clay colored only. When we will find clay colored urine, we are more or less confirmed that there is many other factors. But in case of jaundice, it is mainly obstructive type. Okay, this is the findings. Now coming to the different body fluids. Okay, a urine is yellowish or dark colored, many things. And what are the other type of fluid which are affected? Which are the product of ultrafiltration will be affected by jaundice? What are the products? Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, saliva, aqueous humor, synovial fluid. These are all products of ultrafiltration of plasma. And which will be not yellowish, vitreous humor and semen. These are not products of ultrafiltration. Okay, now where to see that the patient have jaundice? Upper sclera, which is rich in elastin, and elastin is helpful for deposition of bilirubin. So bilirubin is deposited. Now it is yellowish in color, and also floor of mouth, hard palate, hand, and palm, and sole also yellowish in color. The general body skin will be also yellowish in higher type of jaundice, and we have said body fluids are also, some body fluids are also yellowish in color. Thank you.